What's up, guys? This is a new bike check, and yeah, enjoy. Start from the bars. You got Eastern 1-year bars. They're cut down to like 27, 26, somewhere in the middle. You got Shadow Attack stem. It lasted a long time. I got shitload of spacers. Impact FSA headset. Got well, you can see that. I got a Flaw BMX sticker. No, got a Odyssey Director forks. They're freaking rad. I got animal pegs with a Primo N4FL hub laced to a stock cinema rim. Thank you, Connor. I forgot I also had ODI grips and animal bar ends going down to my baby. You got my United Trinity frame. Once again, we got another Flaw sticker. Go for it. Get them on Facebook. We got a shadow seat to an animal seat post. We got a 28 tooth shadow crank and bone sprocket with an animal bottom bracket. Can't really see it. You got Odyssey Twombo cranks. You got JCPCs. They're badass. They tear up my shoes to hell though. You got a heavy duty KMC. More animal pegs. I got I believe it's a Raptor hub shadow with a United guard. I don't know if you can see that. 2 more pegs. I run 4 pegs. It's freaking awesome. You got 2 FAF TO wall 2.25 tires. I got a cinema rim in the back once again. Thanks, Connor. And I hope you enjoy yourself, because I think I didn't. You have a nice day. Oh, by the way, for those of you who have questions, this is what I look like. See ya.